Hello and welcome back to our channel. For your ingredients, 1 tablespoon of seasoning salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 4 garlic cloves, 2 cups of chicken stock, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, 1.5 teaspoons of hot sauce, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, and a half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and a pinch of thyme. 1 large onion, 1 bell pepper. You have 1 pound of round steak. Cut your steak into strips. Next, you want to mix 1 teaspoon of seasoning salt, a half a tablespoon of pepper, 4 tablespoons of flour together. You want to cover your beef strips in the flour. Heavy skillet, heat oil over medium-high. And brown meat until golden brown. And then set aside to drain on a paper towel. In the same skillet, you want to add your onions and your bell pepper, and you want to cook until tender. Then you want to add garlic for 30 seconds. And remove all the vegetables from the skillet and place to the side. Add your remaining 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan and add 2 tablespoons of flour. You want to brown until a medium brown color develops. whisk, chicken stock, tomatoes, hot sauce, tomato paste, and Cajun seasoning, and thyme. You want to bring to a boil, then lower your heat to medium. And then you want to add back in your meat and vegetables. Cover and cook for 45 minutes or until your meat is tender. You can serve over southern grits, and your meal is done. Thank you for watching our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching Baby We Eat.